Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to find your adjusted gross income, or AGI, inside TurboTax. This is your full 2025 step-by-step guide, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly where to click and how to pull up your AGI without any confusion. Now, before we start, why does your AGI matter? Your adjusted gross income is one of the most important numbers on your tax return. It determines your taxable income, affects deductions and credits, and is often required when e-filing or verifying your identity with the IRS. So knowing where to find it in TurboTax is crucial. All right, let's dive in. First, head over to the official TurboTax website and log into your account. If you're new, you'll need to create one first. It's quick and free. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your TurboTax homepage. Think of this page as your central dashboard where all of your tax information is organized. Next, make sure you're looking at the correct year. Since we're filing for the 2024 tax year in 2025, click on the section labeled 2024 taxes. This ensures you're pulling up the right information for your current filing. From here, click on Review. This is an important step because it lets you double check the accuracy of everything you've entered. Remember, your AGI depends on accurate information, so don't skip this. Once you're in the review section, click Check My Return. TurboTax will run a scan of your return to catch any errors or missing details. If it finds something, it'll prompt you to fix it before continuing. Just click Continue until the review is complete. Now, after the check is finalized, click Check My Return again for a final verification. This confirms that everything is accurate before you view your income summary. Once that's complete, go to Taxable Income. This section gives you a breakdown of your income details for the year. And here's the key part. Scroll down and look for the option that says Adjusted Gross Income. This is where you'll find your AGI. TurboTax makes it clear and easy to spot, so you'll know exactly what number to use. And that's it. You found your adjusted gross income in TurboTax. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more tax and finance tutorials, and drop a comment if you want me to cover any other TurboTax tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.